Ang akong hagit ninyong tanan, akong mga pinalanggang kaigsuunan, magpaabot pa bata na mahitabo ni diri sa Bohol, that we allow our hospital systems to collapse, ma-infect ang ato mga frontliners, mamatay ang ato mga doktor, ang ato mga nurses. Kitapod, my request to all of you is, as Dr. Luchanco from the Makati Medical is requesting, we need serious, no joke quarantine. Please stop looking for me, Governor Yap, and asking me for any concessions, not to close down any establishments that need to be closed down, that are non-essential. Please stop looking for me and asking for my permission to come home when you cannot come home, because I have a bigger mission, and that is to protect the entire Bohol. I will not allow the entire Bohol to be endangered. I am very sorry. There is a no-sale policy, and there is a community quarantine in Bohol, and there is a national quarantine right now imposed by the IATF. Please stop looking for me to bend any of these rules, because I will not bend these rules. My obligation is to protect the entire Bohol, and I will protect Bohol. So please stop asking from concessions from me, because I will not give it. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan.